When considering buying a property, it is very much important that you consider so many factors before you make that purchase. Some of the factors are: 1. What is the proximity of that property to a healthcare center, and also the proximity to a market, and then shopping malls, and then schools, and also the proximity to the major express. My name is Realtor Lulu or Realtor Lusquared, and welcome to my channel today as I take you on a ride on this beautiful project you've never seen on planet Earth. So, the most amazing project that I talked about is this beautiful one you're currently looking at. Why is it amazing, you ask? From the foundation to the type of block that was used here to the type of plumbing pipes that have been used here is exceptional and top quality. Another thing you should consider as well is, before you make that purchase for that property, it's very important that you are aware of the kind of building materials used during the construction process. Hence why I always advise for off-plan sales. It helps you monitor the construction process. I know every little details that have been put together before the finishing takes place. I present to you a very beautiful estate located in the heart of Ajah, right before the Lagos Business School. I'm sure you must have heard of the Lagos Business School. If you haven't, I think you should put it into Google right now and it will give you the exact location. This estate is an estate within an estate. It is well secured and actually protected by some of our military men in the estate. Okay, now I know you may ask, what type of buildings do we have here? What type of structures do we have here? We have the 2-bedroom terraces, we have the 3-bedroom terraces with BQ, and then we also have the fully detached 4-bedroom with BQ and Penthouse. Did you hear that? I have to take that again. We have the 2-bedroom terrace with BQ, and we also have the 3-bedroom terraces with BQ, and as well the 4-bedroom fully detached Penthouse. I know you'll be wondering, what features does this estate provide? 1, we have fully fitted security, and then also we have a gym where you can work out those muscles. We also have a swimming pool where you can relax and unwind, swim with your family over the weekend, and then we also have a recreational area, a little one for your kids to play on. What other features do we have here? We also have 24 hours light. We have solar powered street lights, okay, in the estate, so it doesn't matter if the light goes off, automatically it comes up. And also another feature is we have a lounge where you can entertain your guests in case you don't want to take them into your home. Okay, so what else do you have here? We also have 24 hours lights. We have the clean water, really portable clean water, and then we have the street lights. We have a good drainage system where you would never find water logging around the premises. Do you want to know more? I'm sure you want to know more. I'm sure you want to own a home in this peaceful, serene environment. All you have to do is contact me by my phone number. You can send me a WhatsApp chat. You can put a call through to me. You can as well send me an email or visit our website for more details. So, till I hear from you again, or I'm expecting your call actually, my name remains Realtor Lulu or Realtor Lusquared, and I'm always in the business to help you make money for sure. Real money. Bye.